Hey there, so for this recipe, and this is the crust, you will need ground chia seeds, salt, turmeric, garlic powder, lukewarm water, and agave. Also have some olive oil and 2 tablespoons of ground flax ready for dusting and shaping. So the Alfredo will be our Power Ranch recipe, and that'll be linked below in the description. Right, and don't forget your toppings of choice. Okay, first you'll put a half cup of ground chia, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 7 dashes of turmeric, half teaspoon of garlic powder. Just mix that all up together. All right, a half cup of lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon of agave, and you will mix that up once again until it forms kind of a gooey but solid dough ball. Alright, I went ahead and I oiled my hands so nothing sticks, and I put about 2 tablespoons of ground flax, smashed that dough ball on there, made a crust. That's pretty much it, and now you're ready to fry it up. Okay, oil your pan, put it on about medium to high heat, and place your crust on the pan. And you're looking for kind of a toasty outside. Alright, so I got my toppings from my garden, and I'm so excited. A lot of this was planted from seeds, so I'm going to grab some oregano. Just smells so good. The tops of carrots, I like those too, if you didn't know they're edible. Some basil. And you can't go wrong with some sliced tomato. This one's kind of yellow. Alright, there's that Power Ranch. I'm going to make that kind of our sauce at the base. Some sliced tomato. And just sprinkle on my herbs. And you can use any toppings that you choose. You can put some, salt and pepper, some olive oil, pretty much anything, any veggie, bell peppers, spinach, anything. I forgot to put olives on this one, but I love olives too. All right, pop that in the toaster. And that is pretty much it. And I went ahead and I just added just some extra toppings, a little bit of avocado and a drizzle of Alfredo, and yeah, cut it into those wedges and it's ready to serve or eat. There you go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.